You wanna generate AI image on TikTok as it is so much trending right now, but you don't know how to do it, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to generate AI image on TikTok. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. Now at the top right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Tap on the search bar and type in their AI manga filter. Now AI manga filter will appear. Tap on this red icon. Now you can directly upload a photo from your gallery or you can just click it. If you want to click, you have to tap on this screen. But for now, I'm going to just upload it from my gallery. I'm going to select this one picture. Just wait for a few seconds and it is done. Also, you can add some music by tapping on top. Now tap on this red icon and it will be ready. In this way, you can easily generate AI images on TikTok. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment on below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.